What's up mga kapangga? I'm here at Debenesa Road Extension. Woo! Tayo ay may pupuntahan. We will check ang isang restaurant dito sa Dagupan City. At siya ang pinaka-safest restaurant sa panahon ngayon na may COVID. And they're following the safety protocols. Everything para mas secure na talagang health standard ay talagang nasusunod. Social distancing, wear mask, disinfectant, everything is there. So let's see and check. Samahan ninyo ako. Woo! Guys, we're here at Los Pedritos Restaurant. You can see the front side and a parking area. And with my bestie Drinks X7 Elite Diore GS 2020, andito tayo para explore at tignan ang mga safety protocols na pinatutupad sa restaurant na ito. I'm now here at the entrance of the restaurant. And here you can see the posted instructions implemented by the restaurant. There is a thermal scanner for your temperature, wear face mask, foot bath, and sanitize your hand. So guys, bago tayo mag-enter ng restaurant, yan po makikita nyo ating kagad na nag-implement sila ng mga safety protocols before you enter, and you have to follow. Okay, let's go and enter the restaurant. Yan. So here, pagdating nyo pag-start pa lang, mayroon na kagad food pump. Yan. So let's contact sa mga service staff. Yan. And meron silang thermal scanner. Yan. 36.6. So if you are going for dine-in, meron silang contact trace. So we will have a fill up sa kanilang contact trace. Boy at Calabaria. So malaki po yung restaurant na to, and they have a takeout area and a dining area. So here we will fill up yung kanilang health checklist. Yan. So guys, meron din silang health checklist Yan yung mga menu nila. And here, makita nyo yung mga dividers. Yan. You can go check dividers. Tingnan natin yung kanilang So pag may divider kasi, pwede na natin tanggalin yung yung kanilang face mask. Dalawa kayo. Yan. Let's see and check what they offer on their pasalubong store or bread store area. Here you can see a lot of selection for breads. They have loaf breads, tasty breads, monai, pandesal, cream bread. You can choose whatever you like, and they have also selections of flavored tasty breads or loaf breads like ube loaf, and they have also some merengue, ensaymada, selections of cupcakes, marble cupcakes, cheese cupcakes, and they have their famous hopia. And here sa pasalubong, you can have assorted tarts. Masarap po yan. Choco crinkles. They have lengua, cheese sticks. Yan. And some items like cocoa banana chips, homemade peanuts, and you can see also this other items, chili garlics. You can have it spicy or mild. Homemade achara, the sardines bunuan. Yan. This is the one that I really like, the homemade peanuts. It's really tasty. And they have banana cakes, toasted breads, and this special piyaya bread. So guys, I invite you, if you come here in Pangasinan and visit Dagupan, don't forget to drop by here at Tapwak, Dagupan City, Los Pedritos Restaurant. They have a selections of lots of breads and pasalubong items you can bring to your family and loved ones. So guys, here also they are offering lots of frozen items. If you are in a hurry and you want to cook meals with the easy preparation, you can check their tech home products or ready to eat frozen meats. They're selling a lot of things here. They have different flavors of pizza, beef parmesan, cheeseburger. They're also offering frozen ube. Yan, this one. They have a lot of different kind of sausages and frozen items, siomais, frankfurts, sisig, the famous pork sisig. They have also braso. So guys, you can check this out and try. Today I will also buy frozen items and I will check it in my home. How is it? Is it tasty and delicious? So that's their items for ready to eat, or they call it Pedritos Tech Home Products. They also offer lots of different roll cakes and party cakes like ube whole roll or half roll, chocolate roll, braso, caramel cakes. Here also they have their fast food or ready to eat meals on the counter. They have selections of Filipino dishes, kare-kare, barbecues, satay chicken. Yan guys, ang sarap po niyan. And kung nagmamadali kayo at gusto nyo nang kumain kagad, you can have this fast food counter meal dishes that they offer. And meron din po silang mga a la carte menu. If you want to try, they have the best sizzling bulalo. Na-try ko na po yan. Ang sarap po talaga. And baby back ribs. And a lot of appetizers. So here you can check out at Los Pedritos Restaurant. They have a lot of selections of meals from breakfast to lunch, merienda. Marami rin po silang ino-offer na merienda dito. And today we will also dine and check out their best merienda. Eto, nandito na tayo. Magda-dine-in muna tayo guys. And we will try their best merienda. Maganda tong divider na in-install nila. So, may parang barrier na para ma-protect ka sa kasama mo or sa other people na naka-dine-in din dito. So, yan. Very secure, very safe sa'yo na mag-dine-in dito. So, recommended ko to sa inyo guys na pumunta rito sa Pedritos. And I believe it's really safe here to eat and enjoy your meals. Yan po yung order natin sa gugulaman. Wow. See the cutleries guys, nakabalot pa oh. So mas maganda talaga. You can check only and see this kind of service. Dito lang po yan sa Pedritos. Yan. Yung ating bibingka. Wow. Yes oh. Very easy. Ayan. Sarap. Okay guys, samahan nyo akong kumain. Merienda muna tayo. Sa gugulaman, saka bibingka sa Pedritos. Ito na po yung ating final video para sa Pedritos Restaurant. I hope nagustuhan ninyo, and kung bago lang kayo sa video na to, don't forget to subscribe o notification bell. Yan. So, highly recommended po Pedritos Restaurant sa mga safe na restaurant sa panahon ng pandemic. Thank you. Additional information guys, Los Pedritos staff are also strictly implementing health protocols, getting their temperature, sanitation, and fill up their health checklist before they enter the facility or they start to work, to make sure na healthy at safe lahat ng mga staff na nagtatrabaho dito sa Pedritos. So that's a good example sa lahat po sana ng mga establishment na nandito sa Pangasinan.